presentation about kind of genetic disease and human heredity like albino, color blind, asthma, and other. The first speaker is Mr. Rivan Wright. The time for it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Abstract. Allah has created man from the land, and his descendants were created from the sperm cell and ovum, to form a zygote, embryo, and then into a fetus, and eventually be born human beings who will be the new caliph in the earth. And in its creation, it would be a perfect or imperfect human being, and it became the sixth of Allah. Genetic disease or genetic disorder is a condition caused by abnormalities of one or more genes that cause a clinical phenotypic condition. The causes of genetic diseases are due to abnormalities of chromosome number. This can occur due to non-disjunction, which is a process in which egg and sperm self-replicate and divide. This study is focused to detect genetic abnormalities in humans is seen in the review of the creation of man in the perspective of the Al-Quran. This research is a qualitative descriptive approach using non-interactive methods. Genetic disorder requires a series of checks and molecular cytogenetic complex. Although genetic and physical problems for people with chromosomal abnormalities cannot be overcome. Education and proper care after communication with a genetic counselor will improve the quality of their lives. Keyword: albino, colorblind, asthma, sickle cell, hemophilia, Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, the following are some genetic disorders that we heard with often. Albino. People with albinism are characterized by abnormal pigmentation process on the skin and on skin and other body parts. People with albinism are easily disturbed because their eyes are very sensitive to high intensity light, such as sunlight. Albino is an inherited disorder that is linked to the body's chromosomes and recessive. Colorblind. One of the genetic disorders that might be familiar is color blindness. Normally, the human has three types of contrast to different wavelengths of light. To be able to see color with, the pigment from the three types of contrast must be able to work well. Otherwise, color blindness will occur. This disease is a type of congenital defect. There are two main types of color blindness. The first type is partial color blindness, which has difficulty distinguishing between only blue and yellow, or only green and red. When the second type is total color blindness, are also called achromatopsia. Okay, the second speaker is Muhammad Ali Muhriz.
asthma is, I standing here, gonna explain asthma. Asthma is a hereditary disease and it's known that maternal factors are stronger in reduction. Asthma in children than father factors. Asthma can occur when triggered by the presence of an allergen in the vicinity. In addition, about 30% of asthma is caused by inheritance for the parents. However, in some people, wasal asthma is well controlled, it can avoid in adulthood. On the way to prevent disease from passing to the next generation is have a complete explanation before marriage. Because from this examination it will be known whether one of them have diseases that are passed on to her children later or not, so that they can better prepared to deal with cervical disease. This genetic disorder is caused by a genetic error that then affect the development of red blood cells. The red blood cells of patients with this disease have an abnormal shape, causing them to not last long like healthy blood cells in general. Sickle cell disease can be problematic because if lost the blood cells get trapped in the blood vessels. Children with the condition from it can be anemic, prone to infection and sick in several parts of the body. Even so, there are also sufferers who experience only a few symptoms and can live normally. Okay, the last speaker is Faisal Rizki. The time for him.
Hemophilia. Hemophilia is a group of blood disorders that are hereditary. This genetic disorder occurs because of an error in one of the genes of the X chromosome, which determines how the body makes blood clotting factors. This condition causes the blood to not clot normally, so that when the sufferer is injured, the bleeding will take longer. Klinefelter syndrome. It is a genetic disorder that occurs only in males. Patients with Klinefelter syndrome have symptoms in the form of a small penis and testicles, little hair grow on the body, like breast, tail, body, and disproportionately shape. Another characteristic of this genetic disorder is a lack of the hormone testosterone and infertility. In addition to this syndrome, there is also another syndrome that also only occurs in men, namely Jacobs syndrome. And then Down syndrome. Down syndrome occurs due to the presence of excess genetic material in children, causing the child physical and mental development to be hampered. Normally, a person gets 23 chromosomes from the father and 23 chromosomes from the mother, for a total of 46 chromosomes. In Down syndrome, there is a genetic disorder in which the number of chromosome 21 is increased, so that the total number of chromosomes obtained by the child is 47 chromosomes. This condition cannot be prevented because it is a genetic disorder, but it can be detected early before the child is born. The condition of children with Down syndrome can be different from one another. Some children can live great health lives, while others have health problems such as heart or muscular disorders. Bibliography: they are Pratiwi, Sri Mariati, Suharno, Bambang, Biology for the third class senior high school, and www.google.com, Kailangan Genetik dan Hereditas Manusia. If we have mistake, we apologize, and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe our channel. And the last message, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Feliz Natal, Natal, Anem per Amen, Teguh